Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today, or essentially Euro USD. We've had some fairly decent breaks here, and this is the one that I am really interested in, and that's a break of this zone here between 106412 and 106170. We've got to cross over the moving averages. But for me, the trend is indicated by the 150 EMA. So we're kind of on it. So I would expect some kind of a pullback. And that pullback should be to come and test this area here. Now, I just want to get onto the weekly. You can see strong weekly trend, pin bar, sort of a gap up, weird engulfing type bar. And then we've got this follow through bar at the moment with oscillators grouped to the downside. So this weekly setup is looking fairly interesting. And we get down to the 3 hour. You can see strong moves yesterday off the lows here, and across over all the moving averages. This is definitely setting up for a trend reversal in my view. So I'd want to be looking at for confirmation. So confirmation for me is going to be a pullback onto structure, and the first bit of structure that I have is 106412. I'm looking to buy off that. Or alternatively 106170. I'm looking to buy off that. Now, looking to the left a little bit further, you'll see that is a solid area of interest. Now, if we're on the 15-minute, you will find opportunities a little bit closer. Nope, you won't. That's an interesting setup. Sorry, let's just go left and just double check that. Probably have to go quite far left. Nope, our structure is exactly the same. So nothing changes. To be honest, we're looking for a pullback onto 106412 for an opportunity to buy. I don't like the setups that we've got here. There are gaps down here as well. So that makes the most sense for me. Pull back down here. If it does continue, it can continue to the upside, but then what will happen is it should bring this area into play. But I'd want to see a solid move past it, then a pullback onto 106771. But that would have to happen much later in the day, or probably tomorrow, for that to come into play. Okay, so anyway, that's kind of my view for today. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.